How to make your YouTube channel private. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your YouTube. At the top right corner you can find the profile icon. Click on that. Now select the option YouTube Studio. Open it. With that you will land to this kind of page. Now at the left corner you can find different options. Click on the option of settings. Now click on the option channel. Now go to the option advanced settings. Open it. Scroll all the way down. You can see the option of remove YouTube content. You have to click on that option. Hide or delete your content from YouTube. You have to click on this drop down of I want to hide my channel. You will find two sections. The following will be made private until you re-enable your channel. Your channel name, your two public videos, your likes, your subscriptions to other channels and subscribers to your channels will be hidden. Likewise, if you check in for this option of the following will be permanently deleted, your comments made on YouTube videos and your replies on YouTube comments will be deleted. After you check in that, you can click on this option of hide my channel. With that, your YouTube channel will be hidden. So this is how you can make your YouTube channel private. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.